What's up, everyone? We're at Tractor Supply with Michael. Say your name.
Tough guy 110.
TYL122. Let's go this way. There's tractor belts right there. We're looking for tractor stuff today. Steering wheel. I don't know if they would sell a steering wheel. I'm gonna look in there. Yeah, I do. Right here's the snow tires I want to get for Christmas. These are tractor tires. It's just like full of the tires with these humongous knobs. See, these are stock. What? But, yeah, these are tires I want to get. They are, $1,500 right there. So, yeah, that's what I want to get. Hold on. It's Tractor Supply. They're made for tractors. Oh, they have a steering wheel. Oh, yeah, I know. I can go online.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Have you found anything? We have seats up there.
Okay.
Did you break your steering wheel?
Yeah, I flipped the tractor.
Oh, heavens.
Yeah.
Glad you're okay.
Yeah, I go mudding with them. It's kind of fun.
Tractors, do just about anything with it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I want those tires to get in the mud wet. And you can buy me new rims while we're at it, too.
I gotta put my chains on.
Wait, they sell seeds. Oh, yeah, right. What are these? What the heck are these go to? What is that? Tire, AT. I have no idea. What are you doing?
Curling.
Curling?
Yeah.
Get embarrassed.
Work out and you don't.
Get embarrassed.
What's that?
Oh, Michael to get embarrassed. Michael, let's go over here. What?
Perfect. That's bigger than mine.
Horse? These pieces?
Oh yeah, you want this?
I get on that old brake. You like to talk, don't you? You must like to hear your own voice, because that's all you do is talk. You know that? There you go, Michael. Get new boots. Those are nice. Are those steel toe? No, they're not steel toe like my bad boy. See that? What do you got, Michael?
These are oil.
Oh, really?
They might not work.
Muck boots. This is what Tyler has.
Sweet.
I never get it. Boots are made for riding. Trays, husband for tractor. This is where Tyler shops for all his clothes. You know?
Place to go.
What's it say? This is how I spend my day off-roading. Yeah, but if I buy that, people would think I'm retarded. Actually, I would buy something like that. Well, yeah, that's what I mean. I was supposed to say.
I'd buy red or black.
Yeah.
I wouldn't buy their jeans.
It was funny, we pranked Tyler saying we would tell his mom he did coke chew, and
He does it, by the way.
yeah, and it was pretty funny. Let's just keep it at that. Let's look at the knife. What? Right here's.
Tell Anthony I can spend the night, and my dad can even bring me and ask if they can take me home after they take you guys to CCD. Where's your dad?
Wait, what?
His dad, he said, hey, tell Anthony I can spend the night, and my dad can even bring me.
And then when do we take them home?
When you go to CCT.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We don't have enough. My mom says
We'll take him after he goes.
What do you mean? I don't know. Here, we'll ask, but like I don't like. Don't get like real.
I'm not say for life.
All right. Well, hey guys.